Oh yeah, Paul the Pipe Guy. So I wanted to do a little follow up on the Kaywoodie pipes that I had, and today is December 14th. All right, so as you saw in the prior video, I got two Kaywoodie pipes, and then they look great, you know, and then I kind of started scratching at them because I know Kaywoodies, they just didn't look right. There was like fingernail polish or whatever, or some light. Somebody took this and they painted this with some light maroon substance. Well, I took the other pipe and I went from something that looked like that to that. Look at that briar. Look at that. That is cleaned and sanitized. What I did is I reamed it out with my jackknife. Now, when you ream a pipe out with your jackknife, all right, you don't go like this. You don't in other words, you don't put the knife in like that. You put the knife in like that, so you're kind of scraping it, not whittling it. And that's what I got, man. Right there is a $25 Kaywoodie pipe. Yeah, I mean, look at that briar. Ain't that sweet? That's a Kaywoodie drinkless, man. And yeah, it might have a replacement stem, or maybe somebody rehabbed it. I don't know. But she's perfect. And then what I did, I got to show you this. I don't drink this stuff, but I cleaned and sanitized it. They got the stuff called Everclear. All right, so you put it on. Running out of room here. Yeah, you put it on a pipe cleaner, you dip that in there, and then it's 98% pure alcohol. I mean, they make it to make mixed drinks or whatever. But I got that all cleaned out, all sanitized. I was afraid to smoke it before. I mean, who knows what they lacquered that with. So, yeah, let's pause the video and let's spark her up. But look at that. Look how beautiful that came out. Yeah, right there. Look at that. From this, got shit all over my freaking kitchen table from doing these videos. From that to that. Yeah, you can see the difference right there, man. That has no grain showing. That has like superior grain showing. And that's where on the other pipe, same thing, I scratched some of it off. And there is something written on the stinger. I just can't read it. It's too dark. I got to get a magnifying glass. So now that it's cleaned and sanitized, let's start something on fire in her. Who knows when the last time this pipe was smoked? She deserves to be smoked. Yeah, and we're going to smoke her right now. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah. So we're back. There she is. Now, I know how to take some of these old girls that have been beaten up, whatever. Look at that pipe. That is a gorgeous pipe. Oh my gosh, her briar is beautiful. Shined her wrinkly face up, took all that excess stupid makeup off that somebody put on. I made her beautiful again, yeah. And what do we have inside of her? We're gonna start her on fire. She's all cleaned and sanitized. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait. And the draw is great. Who knows what she's been through, but she's got some officers club here. And an officer always treats a lady good. Yeah, let's start her on fire, all right? Who knows when the last time that pipe looked like that? Who knows when the last time it was smoked? Mm. 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 And she's just given me wonderful draw. Mm. Oh yeah. She's going to have a good home at the Gilson house here till it's time to give her away. Mm. 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 Oh, yeah. Total relaxation. And this pipe is loving it. Reamed her out. Got her down to bare wood. Totally resurfaced the finish. Went over it with some Decatur pipe cleaner. Oh. It's running just fine. Oh yeah. Now if I can just find stuff on my kitchen table. I don't even dare show you my kitchen table. Mm. Mm. She don't even need a char light. Mm. And she tastes good. Mm-hmm. So, if you have a little of the correct knowledge, you can buy stuff off of eBay that looks great, and then if all of a sudden you find you got a turd, you can turn it into a shining star, just like that. Yeah, look at that. Ain't she sweet? That is a pristine pipe. Mm. I'm gonna smoke the rest of her. Anyways, over and out. Had to do this follow-up video, you know.